Module 6, Lesson 10. In this lesson, we will learn to add and subtract multiples of 10. We will do this with numbers and with dimes. You will need a paper and pencil. Look at the fingers. How many fingers are there? Write the number sentence on your paper. The number sentence is 4 plus 3 equals 7. Make a number bond on your paper for that number sentence. Remember, a number bond is part, whole. Let's pretend these fingers stand for bananas. Say the number sentence using bananas as the unit. 4 bananas plus 3 bananas equals 7 bananas. Part, whole. Look at the magic counting fingers showing 4 tens plus 3 tens. Notice inside each picture we have a group of 10. So in this first row right here, how many tens do we have? We have 4 tens. Look at this next row. How many tens do we have here? On this row we have 3 tens. So how many tens are there in all? You have a total of 7 tens. We had 4 tens plus 3 tens. So if we say the number sentence the say 10 way, we would say 4 tens plus 3 tens equals 7 tens. If we say the number sentence the regular way, starting with the number 40, we would say 40 plus 30 equals 70. Remember, each of these is counted by 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 10, 20, 30 equals a total of 70. Make a quick 10 drawing on your paper to show this and write a number bond. This is your quick 10 drawing. You had 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, plus 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. 4 tens plus 3 tens equals a total of 7 tens. And here we have it in our number bond. Part, which is 4 tens, plus the other part, 3 tens, equals the whole, which is 7 tens. 40 plus 30 equals 70. How can knowing 4 plus 3 equals 7 help us with 4 tens plus 3 tens? Think about that for just a second. The numbers stay the same. 4, 3, and 7, they stay the same, but the units change. Instead of having 4 ones plus 3 ones equals 7 ones, we now have 4 tens plus 3 tens equals 7 tens. All right, let's try some more. Solve each problem using the say 10 way and the regular way. Solve 30 plus 60. How many tens are in 30? There are 3 tens. How many tens are in 60? There are 6 tens. So on your paper, I want you to write 30 plus 60 the say 10 way. You should have written 3 tens plus 6 tens. Now, solve the problem on your paper, and you can use a quick 10 drawing if you need to. Here's the quick 10 drawing. 3 tens plus 6 tens equals 9 tens. Remember, the number bond is a part, 3 tens plus another part, 6 tens, equals your whole, 9 tens. The regular way is 30 plus 60 equals 90. Solve 70 plus 30. How many tens are in 70? There are 7 tens. How many tens are in 30? There are 3 tens. On your paper, I want you to write 70 plus 30 the say 10 way. You should have 7 tens plus 3 tens. Now, solve this problem on your paper and you can use a quick 10 drawing to help you. Here's my quick 10 drawing. I have 7 tens plus 3 tens. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So 7 tens plus 3 tens equals 10 tens. That's your say 10 way. This is the regular way. 7 tens has the value of 70. 3 tens has the same value as 30. So I could say 70 plus 30 equals 100. Let's solve 60 cents plus 20 cents. How many dimes are in 60 cents? There are 6 dimes. How many dimes are in 20 cents? There are 2 dimes. Write 6 dimes plus 2 dimes. Now, solve the problem on your paper and you can draw dimes to help you. Here's my drawing. 6 dimes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 2 dimes, 1, 2. In my number bond, I have 6 dimes plus 2 dimes equals 8 dimes. That's the say 10 way. Or I could just say 60 cents plus 20 cents equals 80 cents. Now we're going to solve some subtraction problems. Let's solve 6 dimes minus 4 dimes. Draw a number bond for this subtraction problem. What addition sentence can we write to match this number bond? Remember, we can say unknown or the mystery number. So we had 6 dimes. We're going to subtract 4 dimes. How many is that going to leave us with? This is our mystery number or the unknown number. You could think about addition. 4 dimes plus how many equals 6 dimes? What is the missing part? Write it on your paper. 4 dimes plus 2 dimes equals 6 dimes. So 2 dimes is the missing part. Now, draw a picture to solve 6 dimes minus 4 dimes. Six dimes minus 4 dimes. So I started with 6 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice because it is a dime, it is worth 10 cents. So that's why there's a 10 inside each circle. So I had 6 dimes and I'm going to subtract 4 dimes. So I'm going to mark off 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see by my drawing that 6 dimes minus 4 dimes equals 2 dimes. I have 2 dimes left. Or I can also read this as 60 cents minus 40 cents equals 20 cents. Let's say the subtraction sentence and the related addition sentence the say 10 way. 6 tens minus 4 tens equals 2 tens. 4 tens plus 2 tens equals 6 tens. Now we can say it the regular way. 60 minus 40 equals 20, or 40 plus 20 equals 60. Solve 100 minus 40. How many tens are in 100? There are 10 tens. If you count them by tens, 10 times you would get 100. How many tens are in 40? There are 4 tens. On your paper, write 100 minus 40 the say 10 way. You should have written 10 tens minus 4 tens. Now, Solve the problem on your paper, and you can use a quick 10 drawing if you need to. Here's my quick 10 drawing. I had 10 tens, and I'm going to subtract 4 of those. So I'm going to mark off 4 tens. When I have 10 tens and I subtract 4 tens, it leaves me with 6 tens. So 10 tens minus 4 tens equals 6 tens. 100 minus 40 equals 60. That's my number bond. So in this lesson, we practice adding and subtracting multiples of tens with numbers and dimes. Remember, if you know your basic math facts, solving these problems are going to be much easier. For example, I know that 6 plus 3 equals 9. Then I can know that 60 plus 30 equals 90. Good work today. Keep it up.